How to get verified on Twitter. That's what we are going to do in today's video. First, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna go to Twitter and up in the URL bar, you're gonna type help.twitter.com/en/forms/authenticity/impersonation. And when the page loads up, that's what would appear for you. Then as you can see, you have two questions: what issue you're having, and you choose from it an account is impersonating me or somebody else, and then you click on tell me more and choose one of the problems here. You can, for example, choose that an account is pretending to be me. After you scroll down, you'll find other questions that are required. You're gonna fill them. For example, which entity are you reporting? You're gonna choose it depends on you and what is the problem with you, and then you can describe the problem. For example, if there is a fake account that represents you, you can write that in the description, and then you have to confirm your identity using your ID card or passport. And as you can see, they describe it as any valid government issue ID, like a driver license or a passport, for example, in order to confirm your identity. After that, you're gonna click on submit, so that Twitter will review your application and then verify your account. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment any suggestion or question on the video. Have a nice day.